You searched how to buy shares of Technoprobe S.P.A, a supplier of probe and testing solutions for the semiconductor industry listed on CBOE EU under the ticker TPRO.MI. This video is educational only and not financial advice. Always research carefully before investing. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and here I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify the account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker TPRO.MI to locate the correct listing. Confirm the symbol and market before opening the asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information in a price chart for TPRO.MI, which helps confirm you have the right stock. Check market details and the company description to be sure. To invest, tap the buy or trade button, choose the amount or number of shares, review fees and order details, then confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled or executed when trading resumes, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After the trade is confirmed, the new position will appear in your portfolio and order history. For the example link and more information, see the description below.